Another small but extremely useful video for owners of 1.6 HDI diesel engines with 120 horsepower. Maybe, and not just that. So, those who have already changed the fuel filter on this engine have probably come across this kind of clip. Well, or a clamp, it doesn't matter what it's called. Over time, and also due to inexperience, it's easy to break it. You can break it badly enough that the connection will no longer be airtight. Some people solve the problem with a regular clamp, but there is a perfectly factory-made and, most importantly, inexpensive solution to the problem. These clips are sold, for example, on AliExpress. The price is low, and you get several pieces in a set. You can change them with every fuel filter replacement. The color is, for some reason, pink, but I don't think that's critical. This thing is easy to change. You will only need a small screwdriver, and that's it. This year, I changed the fuel filter again and once again noticed the color of the old and new filters. If anyone is interested, I used to think that this was because of our bad fuel. It's so terrible that over time, and very soon, the filter turns a dark gray color. But in reality, it's not like that at all. And this is just a filtering element, and when it interacts with diesel fuel, it gets soaked and turns that color. The quality of the fuel has nothing to do with it. Well, that's just for the curious. All the links are in the description of this video. Good luck on the roads, everyone. Bye for now.